Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleansing and drying your face so active ingredients work. Apply a salicylic acid product at 1% 2% to congested zones. Use a thin layer and avoid rubbing. Once applied, pause for 3 to 5 minutes so the acid can lower skin pH and exfoliate follicles. Make sure to breathe and move on only after the short wait. This timing reduces interaction and preserves salicylic effectiveness while preparing skin for niacinamide. Once salicylic has settled, apply niacinamide serum at 2% to 10%, spreading it gently across the treated areas. You do this because niacinamide calms inflammation, strengthens the skin barrier, and balances oil without undoing salicylic benefits. Make sure to pat rather than rub to prevent friction, and if you use other acids like glycolic, alternate nights so you don't overload the skin. If layering multiple serums, keep thinner formulas first, and you finish by sealing treatments with a non-comedogenic moisturizer, and in daytime always follow with broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to protect exfoliated skin. If you experience stinging, burning, or peeling, stop the salicylic immediately and continue niacinamide alone to help repair the barrier. Consult a professional if severe. Finally, introduce both actives slowly. Patch test, start 2 to 3 times per week, and increase frequency as tolerated to avoid setbacks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.